most powerful effects in medicine.
Is it really?
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. You think of like the new cancer drugs. They tell your immune system what to attack, right? So if somehow you could do that without the drug, if there, and that's where it gets interesting, right? Because these are our bodies,
right?
Perfectly metabolizing, transforming so many things instantaneously. The heart effortlessly beating all the fucking time. So theoretically, purely theoretically, what if you could control more of it? Right. Like, how much of this thing can we actually control? And by the way, that's a really fun thing to think about because, like, not much. And so you ever think about that? Like, you sort of think like, okay, like how much of my body can I really do anything about? I can eat good food, I can exercise, but all the quantum processes that are happening within, all of the things, you kind of realize you're just the tip of the iceberg. You're just the little yappy tip of the iceberg. Yeah. And underneath it is all this stuff that is you, but it really isn't you if having control of yourself is like a way to identify this as me. So what are you in that swirl of particulates? Like, what are you in there?
Yeah, what are you?
Yeah.
That's most people. And that's one of the reasons why ideologies are so interesting. Because it's the same thing. It's the same person. It just they've agreed to one thing or they've agreed to the other thing. And it could be how you were raised, or it could be you rebelling, or it could be... But people find a way to fucking slip into a groove.
Yeah.
And it's so much easier than trying to look at, like, what is this?
Yeah.
What is this thing we're doing where I'm making noises with my mouth, you're reading my mind, and we're like broadcasting it to the world. By making noises with your mouth, we're speaking through each other's minds.
Yeah. And also, though, you know, when you get into the telepathy idea, which is sort of like the question is like, you know, right now,